This weekend, I saw one of my favorite soccer players do some trick called the bottle cap challenge. Now, apparently this is something that people are doing, and I thought, well, I would love to do that, but one, I don't want to make a fool of myself, and two, I don't think there's any way that I'm athletic enough to turn around and kick like that. So I came up with an idea to do it, but a little bit different than everybody else. Xander, let's go find your drone.
Okay.
We couldn't find Xander's drone, so that means we're stuck using my Mavic. Now, please don't try this at home. I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea. I guess we're gonna find out. So we have our water bottle here. We're gonna put it down, put the cap on top, and then we got the Osmo Action here to record some of that 240 frames per second slow motion. Here we go. You know what we're doing?
No.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fly the drone over to that water bottle, and I'm gonna let the props hit the bottle cap so it flies off. Dad life. So we're now gonna hand the camera off to Xander. You think you can video this?
Yeah.
All right.
It's recording.
Oh, we got it! We got it! Woo!
Now let's look at a replay. Let's do this.
We did it, dude.
Yeah.
That was our version of the bottle cap challenge. All these little internet challenges are silly, yes, but what I love about them is seeing everybody's creativity and how they spin the challenge to make it their own. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you later. Bye.